Good morning. Come back with me, Ida. Here. Look at. I wanna prepare go beach with my friend and first want to help my mom to make food first. So get we make meatball again for look like wow so delicious guys meatball. Wanna see meatball from my mom or no? Or yeah. I have a planning going beach with my friend. Yeah, she asked me yesterday to going with her, with them. We wanna go Pink Beach, guys. Pink Beach. Yeah, I'm so excited to going Pink Beach because yeah, this is the place is very comfortable when I going my friend here, and we just want to healing because we are so busy and so many activity at campus. So this is the time for healing, guys. Really want it. I'm really want it. And if I'm going this, I have my mom to accepted me going with my friend now. Yeah, let's talk again, guys. How are you today? Are you have a breakfast or no? I just eat some orange for today. For first, I'm not going breakfast first. I wanna just when in the morning and really like to drink water. Yeah, guys, drink water. Water. I'm really curious for going pink beach, cause I want to meet with a foreigner and talking for a club maybe. Yeah, now I'm really wanted this. Yeah, cause this is just one for healing. That's why I'm really want to go. And yeah, I just open my phone so early morning, and then I just find a student from university Mataram. I just see she's passed away. I don't know the accident there, but I'm really feel like so sad to see this new as a same girl. I feel like we don't safe anywhere. Anywhere we they we really not have a same as safe place. Like, yeah, we are girl guys. We really need a safe place. Like what the hell? Sometimes why the boy can't doing that for a girl? And this is the daughter from, yeah, the parent, like I think her parent is very like sad to see this news from her daughter. I mean, her mom is like really sad. That's why we can't choose uh, just a healthy circle, or just call your friend or family to make you are safe. Yeah, you really need it. If you far away with your parent, you really need it. But sometimes when we just at house, we still not safe for a girl. Sometimes feel like sadness for this. Why can't be like that? We never feel safe anywhere we go or stay. Like a place for a boy, or yeah, a bad person. Don't as a bad person, because they really need to. They really want to live with like you. It's not for bad every your life. You make uh them to lost about life. Like sometimes have, yeah, maybe her have so many wish, but you make this is gone. It's like you not have thinking, you not have empathy as a human. You really not have heart. Sometimes just direction this for girl, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, for a girl. I'm just like so confused. So many news in the social media. Yeah, I'm really always fine about girl news. That's why I feel like, yeah, why cannot solve we do when we not safe in anywhere place? We really need it to safe place every place we go. Beach, waterfall, university, or so many places in outside. We really need like boy. Yeah, it's really don't see just for gender guys. We same, we same, we um have work, have partner, and so many again. We just same guys. Don't just see same. Uh, don't just see gender of feel safe. Yeah, boy. Sometimes no boy must have safe place like girl. Yeah, the same. Please be kind for everyone. Life is short to as a bad person, right? Yeah, life is short, guys. Why you as bad person? This is just for humanity. I just feel just like, yeah, it's not fair for a girl when we still not have a safe place in the world. We really need to take our dream. Why you take this dream for girl and you really bad person, guys? If you like that, yeah. However you are to see this video, just as a kind person, you don't know so many prayer, so many wish they really want it, and you make this gone. It's really bad person. That's why I like when I have a friend and have a problem. I really want them to tell me story and yeah, make her calm down with me. I don't want my friend like have a sad story and I'm not here beside them. I'm really want to with them just for yeah to tell about problem and we can uh, give each other like suggestion and make each other become is not uh, sad again. Yeah, this is my speak up for today, just for humanity. We same as human. You don't make human as animal. Just same, guys, just same. Please, yes, in the world is really short. Just be kind. Why is hard to as a be as a kind person? Like you can't as a kind person. Why? Why? What is your problem? What happened of your life, guys? If you jealous, if you have a trust issues or jealous issues, why you have a jealous issues? You can yeah, just understanding yourself is not make everyone can feel like you are, guys. Don't jealous issues for everyone. If you don't know your life, if you don't know your problem, you can thinking about your own problem. Don't do for another people. And please, yeah, I'm really say thank you for my yeah close friend or what else here to stay tell story or what else. Okay, thank you guys.